Hey, and welcome to our first lesson of spreadsheets. I'm going to go through exactly what you're going to be creating. So first of all, you're going to need to open up this task from the VLE, Frog. So to start off, you might be wondering what this is all about. So I'm just going to introduce you to how these first couple of lessons are going to go and how the first couple of tasks will be laid out. So here you've got the hint box. It's going to go through the hint of how to do everything. Now, blue, I want you to add a value. By a value, I mean number. And in pink, I want you to add a formula. So I'm going to show you how to do the first one, which is add. So I'm just going to add a value at random. And I'm going to start off, because in a spreadsheet, every formula and function starts with an equals. So equals, click on the cell, then plus, and then the next one. Now you'll notice it uses a cell reference. That's the B4 and D4. And then going to press enter on the keyboard. And there we go. And if I change these, that will change as well, automatically. Now once I've done all of these and you've got the symbols there as a hint, I would go on to the next worksheet, which are at the bottom here. So this will go through what a function is. Now I'm going to show you first of all, and then you're going to be doing this yourselves. So I'm going to click on here, equals, type in the word average, open bracket, then I'm going to select the range by clicking and dragging, end bracket and enter. That's one way of doing it. However, there is also another way. I can click on the FX, which is the insert function, type up here average and then click on go. Give it a minute, it does take a minute to go through. Then when you've found it, click OK. Then click and drag to select the range, and it's going to look for the average of all these that you've selected and click OK. Two ways you could do it. So once you're happy with that, move on to the next one. Now on this, if you hover over it, I've used something called a comment, and it will find the comment. So just like the average, you find the min, the max, and the average for each one. I will show you how to do the first one. So I'm just going to go equals min, open bracket, highlight all the numbers, and there we go. It's going to find the smallest value, and then equals max, open bracket. Oh, too much. That's alright, you can just click and redrag. Biggest value, and then the average value equal average, open bracket, and press enter. And there we go. And you make your way through. Now in task 3, you need to find out the total sold. So this is a sum function, so I'll show you one. Equals sum, open bracket, highlight them, enter, and that's going to add them all up. And then just using what we've done before, you find these. Now remember, the key is just to give you an idea what it is, so you don't fill this in. Then you've got the extension, which is task 4, which I'm going to leave for you to work out what it is. You've got some hints there. Remember, if you see the red, a little bit of the shading in the corner, that is a hint. So welcome to our first spreadsheet task. Hope you enjoy.